Bayern victorious in 10 of 11 league games under Jupp Heynckes this season. Let's take a look at the highlights from the game at the Bayern Arena. Leverkusen traditionally been so strong here. Wouldn't go their way today, though.
It certainly wouldn't, and this was the first goal for Bayern Munich, and it's a deflection. Artur Vidal floats off at the back post, wins the header. It's knocked down by Bender, and then Martinez sweeps it home for his first goal of the season.
In the second half, it was interesting because Leverkusen really went at Bayern Munich, and this was very close from Leon Bailey. We talked about him a lot in the pre-game. The first sign of brilliance, and his class and quality almost shone through. Had that gone underneath the crossbar, it would have made it very, very interesting indeed.
But they still would have lost.
Probably.
And I love this build-up. It's just a long ball from Sven Ulreich. Arjen Robben flicks it on, and then James Rodriguez, how about that for a first and second touch? Sweeping pass, and then Frank Ribery does the rest. He just drives Jonathan Tah to the line, cuts back. Leno's moving the other way. As you see right here, he's going left, and then he comes right back to his right and has no chance. Near post.
Goalkeeper, no?
Good to see him back on the score sheet. No, it's a good finish.
The goalkeeper's got to do a little bit better on that near post there. But Leverkusen do get back in the game, and credit to Kevin Volland. You guys were mentioning that Leverkusen were pushing hard to try and get a goal back in this game. It took 2 deflections to beat Sven Ulreich here.
Does he get that goal?
He's got to get the goal. I mean, you got to give him credit for the effort.
And then this is just genius. Class.
It's absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely nothing the goalkeeper can do there. And look at that, right in the top corner. And the Colombian maestro with his second goal of the season.
Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Perfectly placed for that winner. So round 18 now off and running with plenty more action on tap over the next couple of days for you. Tomorrow we've got Leipzig welcoming Western McKennie and Schalke to the Red Bull Arena, whilst Christian Pulisic-led Dortmund will square off against Wolfsburg on Sunday. The Wolves begin the second half of the campaign dangerously close to the relegation zone.